So guys, you will have seen that we've been at Elan Valley now camping, and now is the time for the ride out. So obviously we've got MOTOUREV UK with his son Max, we've got Crazy Legs on his beautiful little bullet, we've got Moist Decoy who snores like a hippopotamus, and we've got the wife Kaylee, who's not happy with me. Some amazing bikes here, some beautiful bikes, varied of everything, beautiful weather, you couldn't ask for much more. Beautiful weather, great company, mesh jacket, it's finally summer, and just look at the area we're in. Oh, let's get out on the road. Whee!
Now behave yourself.
Oh, my Prince Charming. We're just going to pull back into the campsite. Great ride, boys, great ride. Look at that, cattle grid straight away. You are sorry? No, I left her back there. Yeah, she fell off. She heard me say that, I got a slap. No, that's later on in the day. Yeah, yeah. Ow! Come on, 22 miles an hour, come on. Oh, cattle grid number 3. Arm across. Yeah. Oh, well, you couldn't ask for anything better, could you? Sunshine, like-minded people. Oh, have you? I've still got mine going. Yeah, I think so. I can't tell. Yeah, still recording. Hiya! Mr. Moist Decoy. Hiya! Ah. It's beautiful around here, it really is. Turning right. I like sitting at the back, you know, sort of behind everyone and watching the snake of the bikes. I think it's, you know, when you sat at the back of like the convoy and you're watching the snake of the bikes. Yeah, I think it looks great. I am. I'm about 3 bikes behind you. You know the junction? Yeah. Like I said, well, yeah, 3 bikes behind you. Oh, so guys, you might recognise where we are. You might recognise those steps there, Mr. Vida riding down the Africa Twin on them. No, I'm not going to do it because I'll make a fool of myself. Typical GoPro footage. GoPro battery died just as we was coming through. Obviously we went up, did Devil's Staircase, followed the roads round, and we've ended up in this location. We've had nudists, so again I wouldn't have been able to put that on there. But so far, great day, great riding, great company. But this next section, this one's going to be in control of the camera.
You're going down there?
I really want to go get a kayak and go down that.
You know what you want? One of them big rubber rings.
Nah, screw that, get a kayak.
Like you're doing a water slide where you go,
That'd be awesome down there.
Look at them all, just stuck in their faces.
You will be
You
after
want a
the
bite?
camera's
Right,
turned on.
have a bite. There you go. Let's drink some water as well.
Thank you. Right, lunchtime. Next time the camera will be on, she's going to have it. So there might not be any footage.
I'll probably forget to press record.